Okay. Oh my God. We doing it. We doing it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Sun DIY. Honestly, like, is this a tie-dye channel now? Because like, I'm down if you're down. Today, I'm gonna be trying a new tie-dye technique that I feel like has been around for a while, but doesn't quite have the hype yet. So today, I wanna put ice tie-dyeing to the test to see if it is a cool and hype-worthy method of tie-dye. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and also subscribe to my vlog channel where I've been uploading vlogs every other day or so. And let's hop right into the DIY and tie-dye some-ish. Okay, so here is what you'll need for this DIY. Graceful. So because we're involving ice, which is obviously going to melt, I have this kitchen cooking rack. To be honest, I'm not great in the kitchen, so I don't know what this is actually really used for. But essentially, it is kind of just like the perfect fit to sit inside this plastic container. And the clothing and the ice and our tie-dye are all gonna sit on this top layer while the ice melts and drops down into the lower portion. I'm also gonna lay down just like a plastic bag or something to catch excess water because every single ice cube has to melt at some point, so like, where does it go? I watched a few videos where people try to just like place bowls strategically under like their garments they were tie-dyeing. Highly recommend just going for like a bin that's gonna catch all of it so you can properly dispose of it. I picked up both of these items from Target, and then today I have a pair of cotton polyester shorts that are super comfy and like pretty thick, super high on the comfy rating scale, and then a white hoodie that I've already cropped. And I think because my top layer is not super big, I may have to do this in 2 different rounds. We'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and wet both these pieces so we can properly crumple them up on that top layer, and I will be right back. This honestly seems like a little too easy and like chill for it to look super sick, but like, I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the shorts, and these are just like damp and ready to go. And it kind of just seems like you just crumple it up like, okay, yeah, definitely can't do 2 pieces at the same time. Crumble, and then, oh, she chillers, she chillers. I've also seen a few different versions of this where people will just sprinkle the actual dye on top of the cubes, and the water from the cubes is supposed to do a good enough job of like liquefying the dye. I don't know. I feel like that doesn't quite make the most sense in my head. So I've chosen to go with this route, but please, if you've tried the other way, send me a picture of your final product because I'm down to try, and God knows that I have enough tie-dye to make a tie-dye for the entire pretty little LAUR fam. Yo, tell me why my ice is freezing to the bowl. Like, what is wrong with you? Also, this is a really stupid question, but like, how long does it take for ice to melt? Like, is this gonna be something that has to sit around all day? Okay, that seems like it's pretty good. Okay, last one. Okay, so then we just add dye on top and let it do its thing. I feel like I literally never use purple to tie-dye, so I'm hoping that it doesn't turn out like very Barney-esque, and it kind of turns into more of a lavender color once we wash it, but TBD. Oh my God, I feel like I need to stand up for this. This is danger, danger, danger. Okay, here we go. I don't know how much dye to put on. I don't know. Is that too much? Maybe that's good. Okay, but like, here's the thing is that like, what happens on the bottom? Does it just go all the way through? Because that bottom looking real untouched right now. Maybe the ice makes it seep through all the way? I'm very confused. I have questions. Oh, I guess it is seeping through a little bit. I'm sure this is a very flattering angle for me. Okay, well, ooh, okay, yeah, it's seeping through. Let's do a little more just for good luck and because I'm nervous. Ah, that was kind of a lot. Okay, wait, maybe one more. I have no idea what I'm doing, just to be clear. Okay, so we just leave it? Okay, I'm gonna just leave this to chill while the ice melts. I'm gonna run this camera for a time lapse to see how long it takes for this like situation to get some action happening. For the sake of my memory card though, and a hard drive on my laptop, the recording of it may have to be in increments, but I'm excited. Do your thing, take your time, and we'll be back. shorts are chilling right there. I think this is gonna be a longer time commitment than I originally anticipated, which is totally fine. I'm down for the cause, but I ended up raiding the kitchen and finding like another makeshift little rack that I can use to do the top half of the set. So same thing, I just wet it so that it is damp, and I am going to do like the little crimple thing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why you protect your workspace. Okay, actually that's not too bad. Cool, love that for me. I'm also definitely understanding way better what's happening with the ice. So it seems like it's changing the different tones of purple based on how much liquid is there with the dye. So the areas under the ice, I think, are a little less saturated than the areas that got touched with dye that are not touching ice, because essentially it's diluting the dye even more. Did that make any sense? I'm not entirely sure. And also did not continue science after high school. So sorry if that was a very confusing explanation that made zero sense. P.S. I may or may not be working on laurDIY tie-dye kits. Coming soon, late summer, early fall. Very excited about it. I've already chosen the colors for the set, but we're just making sure everything complies with all of the health and safety regulations. And so I just wanna make sure that they are 1 billion% safe. I've already done a few testers, and so far I haven't died. So I think that's a good sign. But like on the real, we're gonna make sure that they are perfect and obviously up to code with all of the health and safety things. And I'm excited. You have already seen the packaging and everything if you are subscribed to the vlog channel. So if you wanna see more behind the scenes stuff on like the process, make sure to subscribe. Does anyone else like eating ice? Personally, I like the really small cubes the best, but this one will do. Okay, here we go. I feel like I'll probably use the rest of this bottle since this is so much more fabric than the shorts. Okay, oh my God, we doing it. We doing it. Okay, so maybe I'll put these next to each. Oh, I've been shot. Oh, that is purple. That is so purple. Okay, well, I'll just put you to the side for now. Okay, so maybe I'll put these side by side so we can keep going with the time lapse so we can see the ice do its thing. Okay, so update, it's been a solid few hours. The ice is completely melted off of this one, and then I've got like a few little ice chippets still hanging around on top here. I feel like because these are not from the same clothing manufacturer, the dye is taking a tiny bit different, but I'm so excited. It's so crazy seeing how many different variations of purple are showing up on both of them, even though it's only one dye color. I am here for it. But I feel like all my experience with tie-dye has taught me not to celebrate the success yet until it's completely washed, dried, and on your body. So I'm gonna let these sit overnight to really soak up the dye, rinse and remove all of the excess dye, and then throw them in the dryer. I feel like one of the most exciting parts of the tie-dye process is seeing what it looks like when you like uncrumple it and hold it up. So got you, I won't skip that part. I'll make sure to film that portion and then throw it in the wash. Okay, so let these hang out and I will see you guys tomorrow. We are officially back. She is dry, she is cute, she is finished, she is grace, she is glory. And by that I mean the sweater, not me. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. I have the shorts on too, so I'll give you like a little tour of how everything turned out. And then I also have a cropped hoodie that I dyed in like regular crumple tie-dye method that I want to do a bit of a comparison with so we can see the difference that the ice actually makes on the design. But seriously, so happy with it, and honestly, it's like a solid purple. Like, it's not too Barney-ish where I feel like I'm just like a big walking eggplant or anything. So stoked about that. Anyways, let's hop into the final reveal, do a bit of a comparison, and I will see you guys in the outro. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more tie-dyeing videos. I am so down to just like keep working away at all of the white items in my closet. Make sure to subscribe if you're new here and subscribe to the vlog channel. And I will see you guys on Sunday for another Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the